Hey guys, welcome back to my mom channel. Today, me, Tone, I'll be doing the voiceover today. And today, my mom, she'll be making chicken pie, meat pie, puff and fish roll for her customer. And of course, I had to ask her to make some extra for me because I love her food so much. So we're gonna be starting now. These are the ingredients. Looking good, looking good. It's looking good. We're gonna be making puff. My mom puff is actually delicious, y'all, so make sure y'all try it. And if you haven't subscribed, please make sure y'all subscribe. Thank you, and like the video. So now we're putting our ingredients in, of course. 6 cups of flour, 2 tablespoons of yeast, 2 cups of sugar, and a pinch of salt water. A pinch of salt. Then water, yeah. 4 tablespoons of powdered milk. Nido powdered milk. Guys, I always love watching my mom cook, and I like doing voiceovers for her because it's fun too. All you gotta do is talk while she's editing. Hey, now she's putting it in. If I was there, I would low-key help, but I don't know. I think I low-key don't know. Okay, that powdered milk looks so good, or is it just me? Now she's adding a pinch, even though that's not a pinch, that's a little scoop. That's like a tablespoon. Now that's the tablespoon of yeast. That do not look like a tablespoon, but it's okay. It's okay. Okay. Now what is this? Yeast. Oh yeah. So our puff can rise. She's still pouring her yeast. Remember, 2 tablespoons of yeast. While she's doing that, while she's doing that, I hope y'all having an amazing day, cause you're. And make sure y'all like this video. Comment down below what your favorite Nigerian snack is. Now we're adding the cup of water. You gotta mix it so all of them can combine. This video is actually gonna be interesting, so make sure y'all watch. She's mixing it, mix. I love saying that. Mix. Hey, mix. And now she's adding the water. I meant water. Now she's mixing it. Something about my mom, she always loved washing her hand before. Every time she do food and snacks and all that, she's always have to wash her hand after. Like, now she's mixing. It's looking doughy already. Like it. Stir. The reason she's using her hand, because if you use her hand, mostly it'll combine off. Like them spinner things, the baking, I don't know what it's called, but that's used to be called. It doesn't mix well, you know? Now we're just mixing till all the powder doesn't show. Okay, now she's mixing it harder. I like the way it looks. It looks so satisfying the way she's doing it, for real. It's like, ooh, go, swoop, yer, swoop, swoop. My bad, y'all. My mom is not even with me. I'm just doing this. So let's see how I do. Oh yeah, it looks so good. Now she's washing her hand, like I said. Always have to wash your hand. I mean, it's not bad. It's good. Like every second she do, it's not bad. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Okay, this is the meat pie and the sausage roll. Those are extras, by the way. Okay, now she have to clean the edge so it doesn't spill because it's already coming off the edge. Okay, this is the meat pie that she made. No, this is chicken pie, and that's meat pie. You can tell the difference. The one with the tiny like dots on it is chicken pie, so you can see the difference. Now she's gonna put aluminum. It's hard to say aluminum for real. Foil over the puff so it can rise. Y'all think it's hard to say aluminum? I do not know how to say it for real. Okay, put in the micro just to sit there. Don't actually start it though. After 35 minutes, she opened it and it risen, as y'all can see. You'll know it rise if there's more and it looks like that. Like I said, swoop, swoop, whoop, 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 swoop. Okay, now we're gonna be putting in the oil. It's so satisfying. Don't mind that little drop over there. Okay. She actually make the like perfect circle for real with Puffpuff too. Wipe, wipe, wipe. This is the fish roll. Of course, she love multitasking. She always be cooking like two food at the same time. I was like, cheesecake, fish roll. My personally favorite Nigerian snack is probably Puffpuff or Meatpie because it kicks. It kicks in. And then fish roll and sausage roll, it's good, but not my favorite, you know? Just put the last out of the oil. Oh, look at that last one standing. Okay, now she added some more. We usually fry fish roll and Puffpuff and then put meat pie in the oven so it can do longer. Stir, stir. Not stir, but like cool it down. And now she have to use Puffpuff. Make sure it's good on the other side. Once the Puffpuff comes to the top of the oil, that's when you know you should start like twisting it so one side doesn't be lighter than the other. I think that's how it's supposed to be. I low-key forgot. Okay. Eight. Okay, now she's going to check up on the spring roll again. They're both oil, so she just used the spoon, same spinner, so the oil can, yeah. The Puffpuff is already looking so good. Now I want some. Okay. Dip, dip, dip. Okay, y'all. Now look at it. It looks so crispy and yummy. Delicioso. Okay, now, yeah. Look how yummy it looks. Delicioso. I want some so bad now. Okay, now she's gonna add some more since that first round was done. First, she's gonna not wash her hand, but like drip it so the Puffpuff can't stick to her hand, so she can drop it slowly in the pan. You see how she's doing there? It makes it good. Put it in your hand and then drop, drop. Okay, now she have to, of course, check on the second meal snack that she's doing. So here's the Puffpuff again. You see, this Puffpuff is actually looking so good. Comment down below if it looks good. Okay, let's do it. Open, open, open. Oh yeah, it looks so good. Fresh Puffpuff will always be the best. Okay. Now we're just gonna check up the last one. Now the fish roll. I think the fish roll is gonna be already done. Ooh, the fish roll looking amazing. Comment down below if y'all like fish roll more or Puffpuff more, because I'm trying to know. This is the fish roll. Yeah, turn 360, 360. We still doing the Puffpuff. Taking forever. But you know, it's kind of different because the inside of the Puffpuff needs to be ready. And I think we're doing a full pan or half pan. I do not know. I can see the pan right now. I think that's half pan? Small pan? I don't know what it's called. Is that a medium? Yes, half pan. I think. Wait. Small pan. It's either called small pan or half pan. Okay, so this is the pan. I'm gonna just call it pan. So now looking. This is the results of the meat pie, chicken pie, fish roll, and Puffpuff. I think these are extra because I love having extra. Because me and my family, we love Puffpuff meat pie. Okay, this is ours. A. Different people like their meat pie somehow. Some people like it like brown. Some people like it light brown. I like mine's like a light brown, so it doesn't be super hard, you know. Oh yeah, this is the result. Result. She's counting it to make sure they all add up. Now she's making sure. Yep. Adding it. Girl, I got you. Aluminum. A. Okay. Okay, guys, we're now almost done. We're already done. We just need to package it well and make sure it looks nice. Now we put it in the half pan, small pan. I don't know what it's called still. So make sure it goes in there. Make sure it's even too. So like two, so it doesn't look super buff in the aluminum wrapper. You gotta put it all in there. All up. Doing 2 by 2. 2 by 2. 2 by 2. 2 by 2. Now this is the result of everything. It looks so good right now. I can't. Oh yeah, the chicken pie, meat pie, Puffpuff, and spring roll. Okay, this is the 360 of the Puffpuff. Oh yeah, which one is she doing next? Chicken pie or meat pie? This is it. So guys, that will be the end of this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe and turn the notification button on. Comment if you like meat pie, chicken pie, Puffpuff, and spring roll. Bye. Now this is the recap. I hope you have an amazing night, day, or morning, wherever you are.